Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. MicroStrategy stocks surged 8% on Friday, but things don't look good next, as the price of Bitcoin fell. Bitcoin fell 1.6% in a single trading day, from $60,000 to around $58,000, which could cause the stock to quickly enter a correction after a sharp rise. Data shows that the stock had a lot of capital inflows on Friday, but a large number of transactions were generated when the stock price was at a relatively high level, which may be a signal that capital is exiting the market. In addition, the stock fell more than 3% in overnight trading on Monday, which once again proved this prediction. If this is the case, then the stock price will temporarily lose its upward momentum, but the question is, if the stock price pulls back, then where will it fall? Since the stock had a period of consolidation in August, a large number of positions were generated between $134 and $128. However, the stock's rise did not encounter much resistance in this area, indicating that this area has changed from resistance to support. Therefore, if the stock price falls, this area will become the first line of defense for the stock, and the second line of defense is at the level of $125. So it seems that it is not so easy for the bears to significantly lower the stock price. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price fell sharply on September 6th with a large trading volume, but the stock price rebounded strongly on September 9th, indicating that a large amount of capital had been involved in the stock on the previous trading day, which is also the driving force behind the recent continuous rise in the stock price. After the stock price fell sharply in the morning trading of September 11th, it rebounded strongly again with a large trading volume, indicating that the bulls hope to continue to push up the stock price. However, the situation was abnormal again on September 13th. The stock price rose strongly in the morning trading with a large trading volume. When the stock price touched the level of $143 in the afternoon trading, it began to retreat slightly, and there was also a huge trading volume at the last moment of the closing. Although such price behavior seems to be very strong in the long position, it may be a signal of capital exiting the market in large quantities. Let's look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the stock has had net capital inflows in 4 of the last 5 trading days, which is consistent with the performance of the stock price. The net capital inflow amount of the stock on September 13th was as high as $131 million, which is much higher than the daily average data of the previous 4 trading days. But as analyzed above, the capital flow data on that day may be reversed in the context of the decline in Bitcoin prices. Let's look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the stock has a large number of positions generated at the level of $141. Most of which were generated on the day of the sharp rise in the stock price on September 13th. So this is regarded as a signal that the stock price is about to reverse. The stock also has a large number of positions distributed between $134 and $128, most of which were generated during the consolidation period of the stock in August. But the problem is that during the rise in the stock price, this part of the area did not provide an effective resistance to the stock price. So if the stock price falls, this part of the area may also be fragile and easy to fall below. The stock accumulated a lot of positions at the $125 level in early September, which is the driving force behind the stock price rebound. So if the stock price falls below $128, it should also find support before hitting $125. Of course, if the price of Bitcoin falls further and causes further panic in the market, it is also possible that the stock price will fall below this position, so the stock is currently full of uncertainty, but at present $125 is still a strong bottom. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for MicroStrategy stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.